Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, HollywoodShono tech reviews here. About to give you a tech review unboxing video. I ordered online Best Buy on Wednesday the Sony RX100 VII, which is probably the best point and shoot camera that you can buy right now. And it's blurring the lines between DSLR and a mirrorless camera. So we're going to open this up and see what is inside, and then we're going to do our full review in a couple days. Got some paperwork up here, and inside has got to be the beautiful, beautiful camera with a little mesh here. And at $1,200, you definitely do not want to damage this, so it's pretty cool that they took good care of it. Ladies and gentlemen, there it is. What a beautiful camera. Oh, I cannot wait to check this out. This is filmed with my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, but I can't wait to show it off with my camera. This looks beautiful. And then down there's the tripod slot. Looks like the battery case, probably a slot where an SD card goes. And on this device, it charges via micro USB. There's a microphone port and a micro HDMI slot. So a couple things to note there. And there's so many modes. I'm going to be looking at the manual right now, but I want to make a quick video for you guys to show off this camera. My full video on this will be coming pretty soon. This camera feels amazing in the hand. Thank you for watching this little unboxing. We'll see you guys for the full review in a few days.
Fit me.